Hello everyone. Today is day 25 of 50 days communication marathon, and today's topic is learning management system overview. Okay. So as you all know, I am Prathamesh, and let's begin today's topic. So, learning management system, as the name suggests, it is a full-fledged software. Okay, learning management system. So it has multiple features like it has multiple uh, lectures, video courses, then your assessment exams, your notes, all are inside of that application. Okay, already present on that application, and the student or anyone can access that. If it is free, anyone can access that and see the contents of that course. Okay, so there are some points like what are uh, what are embedded inside this learning management system. So like first is your course. Okay, like creation and management of the course. Like if let's say, for example, I am a instructor and I want to create an course of like Java programming, so I can create a new course Java programming where I can record myself teaching, and then I can also upload that videos uh, on that platform, learning management system platform. Okay, so this platform majorly this is on the websites. Okay, so they are web applications, not a desktop application. Okay, majorly they are web applications because there are a lot of technologies to create better web applications for managing like APIs, etc. So let's not go into deep into that. So let's begin the next topic, that is content. Okay, so as you know from point number one, that is course creation and management. So next is content delivery. Okay, so what happens here, like you can upload your videos, you can upload also your notes, PDFs, then your let's say exercises, like what exercises should the student do rather than means other than the course lecture. Okay, so this is another thing, and one is and other one is quizzes, then yeah, you have multiple means MCQ questions. Okay, so that part also comes in this. Then you have user management, like the system needs to be differentiate between the user, means the student, and uh, the instructor. Okay, so by then and then only uh, you can means the student can be able to access the course content, because we don't want the student to have uh, course creation feature. Okay, so student is uh, on this platform only to learn about the course. Okay, or any topic. So the differentiation needs to be there. That's why this application also uses user management. Then we have your assessment, like let's say every topic you the user let's say every topic the student covers, then the instructor have assigned one quiz or one exercise or one exam for that, so the students doubts can be cleared, and the instructor can understand what the student have grabbed, okay, from the lectures. So that assessment and its reporting, like the report also get generated at the real time when the student finishes the exam and submits the exam answers. Then immediately the answers get checked, and the score can be seen on the screen of the user as well as the instructor, because instructor should know how much uh, how much the students have understanding from their particular topics, okay. So the next one is tracking and analytics, okay. So as you all if you have ever seen the UI of Coursera or let's say Udemy, okay. So in your home page, if you are logged in, then you can see or you can track your learnings, okay, where uh, that platform have displayed the recent courses you are learning, or the recent progress you have did on your course. Like let's say I have a Java course, I have completed, like it has 10 topics or 10 chapters, and I have completed two to three, let's say three chapters, okay. So that uh, Udemy or Coursera application will track my progress up to three chapters out of 10, and it will display on my home screen that I have completed up to three topics and still seven are remaining, okay. So this is real time, this happens real time, and the progress gets tracked uh, on the basis of your learnings. Then the next one is communication, okay. So like let's say if you have seen this uh, like there is uh, one example of let's say lead code, okay. Lead code has some um, topics and its related questions, and it also has some notes or let's say chats or let's say hint section, so where the people who are doing that or did that topic or course or solve that problem, they can give hints or can share their opinion, how did they feel, how uh, how was their experience, okay. So that can be done using this uh, like and mm, plus one more thing, like if the student has any queries or doubts, so there is also option to communicate to the team, so that the doubts of that student can be solved. Another one here is like gamification, okay. So as we all know, in lead code there are point system, okay. So this makes the user experience more interesting, like every topic you cover or let's say every problem you solve, you get some points, and on that basis of those points you can redeem any item like a gift card, or let's say t-shirt or hoodie, etc. So this type of property, we call it as gamification. So this is also trending in the learning management systems. Okay, then you have various devices support, like as we have seen, it works on a website, and it also works on your applications, smartphone applications. Okay, so let's take example of Coursera has its website also for when you are using laptop or desktop, you can use the website. And if you are on Android phone or let's say iPhone, then you can install their mobile application and access their uh, courses. Okay, so this type of means this type of application they also support, because they need to cover vast let's say vast type of users. Okay, means they have every user can't afford a let's say any expensive device. So that's why they have also did this, because most of the people have smartphone available onto them instead of this laptop or desktop thing. Okay, then also, as you let's take Coursera and Udemy example of this learning paths. As we know, there are some specially created learning paths, like these paths covered all the topics you need to learn to become a professional in particular field. Let's say I want to become a Java backend developer. So Coursera or Udemy has some learning paths which are uh, created only for Java backend developers. Okay, so it will cover Java basics, Java core, Java advanced, then OOPS concepts, and after finishing all the Java, then it will go at the backend like Spring Boot, then the database. Okay, it will cover all the necessary requirements for a job ready uh, Java backend developer. Okay, so this path learning path consists of multiple courses, and rather than like normal courses, you get uh, one course which has multiple videos, like let's say Java, Java, Java course. So Java course only covers Java. Okay, advanced Java, core Java, multi-threading, oops, it is limited only to Java. Okay, but uh, if you do take the learning path, personalized learning path, then you are able to uh, get specialization into your particular selected field. Okay, so that's it for today's topic, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. So let me just end my session, today's session. So thank you guys.